My name is Shahid. I'm a big fan of you from New Delhi. Due to lockdown, we cannot go to the mosque for Taraweeh. We don't have any Hafid to lead the Taraweeh. Can I lead Taraweeh by holding a tablet or a Musaf to recite the Quran? A similar question is also asked by Bilawal Bhutto from Karachi, from Pakistan. And the question is that can I offer Taraweeh with holding Quran, Musaf in my hand for reciting Quran if I don't remember the Quran? As far as the opinion or the verdict on can a person hold the Quran or a Musaf or a tablet or a mobile while reading Taraweeh, can read from it, majority of the scholars, they say yes, you can. And there is a Hadith in Bukhari in volume 2, in Hadith number 145. The Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she had a slave man who used to be the Imam in Taraweeh, and he used to hold the Musaf and read from it during Taraweeh because he was not a Hafid. According to the opinion of Imam Malik, Imam Hanbal, Imam An-Nawawi, all of them say that you can in Taraweeh hold a Musaf, and today you can even hold a mobile phone or a tablet. It is totally permitted. It is allowed. Though some people say, I know that when you hold a tablet, you cannot keep your hand on the chest, and when you turn the pages of the Quran, then your concentration goes down. But most of the fuqaha say it is permitted. Some have said that in a fard salah you should not do because Taraweeh is a sunnah, it is permitted. So you can go ahead, inshallah, if you can get more khushu, if you can recite better, if you're not a hafiz, you hold the Quran, it's permitted. And the more you read, it is better. You're getting 2 sawab of the Taraweeh also, as well as reading the Quran, inshallah.